You've probably seen the ads promising a brand new bath or shower in just one day. Many companies also offer 2-day installs for a more thorough job. So which is better for you, a 1 or 2-day bath install? No one wants a drawn-out renovation process. That's why so many people are tempted by the promise of a quick fix. So let's talk about what can be accomplished in a 1 or 2-day remodel and some things that may take more time. A 1-day bath remodel is designed for speed and convenience and typically involves installing a new tub or shower system over the existing space, or using acrylic or composite materials custom fitted to the bathroom's dimensions. This streamlined process allows for quick installation. As with any quick fix, there are also some things to look out for and to be wary of. Faster installations can mean less durable results, requiring repairs or replacements sooner than expected. If a bathroom has underlying issues such as water damage, mold, or outdated plumbing, you might face more expensive repairs down the road. A 2-day bath remodel balances efficiency with a more thorough renovation process. A 2-day project allows for additional work such as minor plumbing updates, wall reinforcements, and proper installation techniques. Installers have more time to inspect and address any underlying issues like water damage, mold, or plumbing concerns before installing the new materials. Ensuring that waterproof barriers are correctly installed and tested to prevent leaks or future damage greatly decreases the chance of future expensive repairs. Of course, the downside to a 2-day bath remodel is the additional time required. While it's still a relatively short turnaround, homeowners must plan for at least 2 days of limited bathroom access. Also, a 2-day job can turn into a 3-day job if unexpected problems are found in the plumbing or existing construction. With more time to inspect and test the plumbing and the walls around the tub, you may find more problems that need to be addressed. Taking care of these problems the right way can save a lot of time and money on future repairs. Ultimately, choosing between a 1-day and a 2-day bath remodel comes down to the priorities. If speed and minimal disruption are the primary concerns, a 1-day remodel could be your best choice. A 2-day remodel provides the best of both worlds for homeowners looking for a bit more thorough process and the ability to address minor updates that might not be visible until demolition. If you are interested in learning about our bath installation process, you can find our bath installation guide in the links below. For more information or to book an appointment to assess your bathroom project, click the link below. And as always, like and subscribe for more content like this.